a hero. One day, Swami's father was sitting under the hall lamp and reading the newspaper. When Swami came to him, he read out the news for him so that it would inspire his son and that his son would also do courageous things. It was the bravery of a village lad who was running home by the jungle path. The lad came face to face with the tiger, but he was not frightened. He flew up to a tree and stayed on it half a day. At last, some people came there that way and killed the tiger. Swami did not believe the story. He told his father that the boy could not fight with the tiger. He must be a grown-up person. His father said that courage is everything. Hard word and its meaning. Lad, a boy or man. Strength and age don't matter much. Swami's father told Swami to prove his courage by sleeping alone in his office room that night. Swami said that he could not sleep in his father's office room as it was dusty and there must be scorpions behind his father's law books. Swami tried to change the topic by saying that his captain had said that they should have some elders also in their cricket club. To prove his courage, his father advised him to sleep for some night alone in the office room. Swami never slept alone. He always slept beside his granny. Any change in this argument kept him trembling and awakened all night. So, he requested his father to let him do it from the next month, but his father did not agree. Hard word and its meaning. Trembling, vibrating slightly and irregularly. When Swami was sleeping by his granny, as usual, his father came and woke him up. Swami tried to escape but in vain. He took him into the office room and ordered him to sleep on one of the bench in the room, alone. He put out the lights, let the door open and went out. He was afraid. Swami spread his bed under the bench and crouched there. Soon he fell asleep. He had a terrible dream that a tiger was chasing him. Swami tried to open his eyes but failed. Suddenly, he heard that someone was coming towards him. Swami thought that he was a ghost, but it was a thief that entered the office room as the door was kept open. When the thief came very close to him to protect himself, Swami at once clutched his leg and dug his teeth in. The thief then cried out that something has bitten his leg. Everyone in the house was awakened by the loud noise. Swami's father and a servant caught the thief. Hard word and its meaning. Clutched, take hold of, grab. The next day, Swami's classmates looked at him with respect. His teacher patted his back for his courage and bravery. The headmaster said that he was a true scout. Swami did not sleep in his father's room the next night. He slept in his usual place beside his granny. His mother stopped his father from waking him up. Let us see some more hard words and their meanings. Crossly, a little angrily. Scowl, an angry look or expression. Porch, a covered entrance at a building. a veranda. Sternly, seriously and strictly. Disgraceful, very bad, shameful. Tiptoe, walked quietly on the tip of his toes. Curled, drew up his legs close to the body and curved his back. Snoring, breathing roughly and noisily while sleeping. Stirred, moved slightly. Groan, made a deep sad sound. Pleaded, spoke in the boy's support. Scorpions, small creatures with a poisonous sting in the long tail. Laughing stock, someone or something which seems stupid. Tumbling, falling helplessly. Scout, one who is trained in doing acts of public service. Notorious, well known for some bad quality or act. Faint, likely to lose consciousness. Crouched, bend the knees close to body in fear. Encased, covered himself closely. Crawled, moved slowly, keeping the body close to the ground. Grammar. Pick out synonyms for each of the following words: clear, bravery, shameful, hide, upset, argued, sore, unpleasant, tapped, damage. The synonyms of these words are clear, detailed. Bravery, courage. Shameful, disgraceful. Hide, cover. Upset, pained. Argued, mumbled, exclaimed. Sore, cursed. Unpleasant, bitter. Tapped, patted. Damage, risk. Read the conversation given below and fill in the blanks with appropriate words from the box. Grateful, respect, certain, courage, sternly, afraid of, terrible, hesitated, disturbed, disgraceful. Ruchira, I don't know why the teacher hesitated to give his mobile number. Suhas, he might be worried that you would disturb him with your phone calls. Ruchira, I have great respect for him. I will never behave in a disgraceful manner. Suhas, I am certain that our teacher will not give his number. Anyhow, I like your courage. We are all afraid of him. Ruchira, I don't think our teacher is terrible, but he says everything sternly. Once he gave me a wonderful gift, so I am always grateful to him. Read the following clues given below to complete the word ladder. Sandhya said crossly that she hated him. Sridhar is a young boy of 10 years old. Jyoti used to sleep beside her granny. The garden is full of yellow-colored flowers. I met my friend Kumar on my way. Proverbs. A proverb is a short sentence usually known to many people, stating something commonly experienced or giving advice. Match the parts under A and B to make some proverbs. You can use the clues given within the brackets. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Failure is the stepping stone to success. A stitch in time saves 9. The pen is mightier than a sword. Empty vessels make the most noise. Little drops of water make the mighty ocean. Honesty is the best policy. Make hay while the sun rises. Barking dogs seldom bite. Simple past tense. The second form of the verb is used as simple past tense. It is used to express that some action was completed or not completed in the past. Past continuous tense. Structure of this tense is as follows: was or were plus verb with ing form. We use the past continuous tense to express that certain action was going on at a certain time in the past. Read the following para and fill in the blanks with simple past or past continuous forms. While Swami's father was reading the newspaper, Swami was listening to it. His father asked him to sleep alone, but he was afraid of ghosts. He wanted to sleep in his grandmother's room. While he was sleeping, he had a terrible dream. A tiger was chasing him and he was trying to escape.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.